So today we're going to be doing the Guess the Sound Challenge with my brother Memphis. He helped me out with the other video yesterday. And this isn't really a challenge. I just got bored. And there's nothing to do except die. So he's going first. And we're using my pillow sheet as a blindfold because we're poor. And we have no life. Alright, here we go. First sound.
I'm ready.
Alright, here it is.
I'm ready. I'm gonna guess it's the Batman fidget spinner.
He was correct.
Next one. Alright, so next one, here we go. Can you hear it? What do you think it is? Here, let me hear it again. Hear it again. Go ahead. Hear it again. What do you think it is?
Cards.
Cards. Good job. The bad thing about YouTube is that you have to risk your whole bed for one video that'll probably get like 1 view and 30 dislikes. Okay, last round right here. Or for him, I believe. Okay, here it is. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
What is it?
No clue.
What was it?
Hard.
Say it, or else I'm gonna throw more cards at you.
Plate.
A plate. You were incorrect. It was money. Oh, man. Totally money. Okay, my turn.
Throwing.
I can't see a thing. Okay. Start with the first one.
Okay.
Don't say it on camera, though. Okay. That's a joystick. Let me see it.
He's correct.
Noobs. Okay.
Time for the next one.
Bruh.
Okay, next.
Okay, next.
That's a plate.
Okay, time for the next one, I guess. Okay, time for the next one.
What's next?
I can't tell you.
Tell me what's next. Now.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
My fidget cube.
Bruh.
Incorrect.
It was? Really? Oh God! Stop! Why do I deserve this?
Because it's your punishment for getting it wrong.
That guy Shaniqua. Okay, that was it for the video. Make sure to forget to subscribe. I promised my sister that if I got 10 subscribers, I would do a special. I mix 10 drinks and I have to drink the whole thing. Like yesterday's video, I only drank like 1 sip and I threw up. I have to drink the whole thing with 10 mixed drinks. And again, special thanks to my brother Memphis, the one behind the camera. And yeah, probably never gonna make another video again.